It is time! Alright.
Animation.
Let's go!
This is top-notch anime brought to you by Holo Myth.
Okay, I started off with Kronii.
Oh, nice and simple.
Yeah, very
Nice,
simple.
nice.
And then
I
went
I
with...
tried to flip it. Yeah, like...
instead of flying, she's flipping?
I was thinking she might be flipping,
Oh.
but I decided to make her fly away.
And then she's
Okay,
flying
okay.
away?
Yes!
Just like
Okay.
backwards? Okay.
It's a...
Alright,
And she's gone. Very good.
now we
Launch
see the
her.
entire animation.
Oh, it does look like it's being shot. Yeah,
Kind of, yeah.
it's like reverse. I think
It's a bit
kinda.
late, yeah, but...
It's okay, it's like
It
a
is-
camera
it
pan, you
works.
know? It pans
yeah.
over.
It's
Nice,
dynamic.
nice.
Then we zoomed out.
Years ahead of other animation studios.
Yeah.
Nice.
Alright,
Bye-bye,
very good, very good.
Chronicopter.